Hi, I'm Victor, and welcome back to Animated Passive Income. Smash your 100K milestone. Are you ready to unlock a digital fortune? Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Etsy, a platform that's enabling thousands to make serious money from unique digital products. I'll introduce you to 3 successful Etsy sellers, break down their earnings, and more importantly, guide you through creating your own digital product empire. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you're excited to add another income stream to your portfolio. And if you're new here, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we drop invaluable content like this. Let's get started. Now let's meet our 3 successful Etsy sellers, who have tapped into the digital product marketplace and are making thousands. Our aim here isn't just to celebrate their success, but to understand how they've achieved it and how you can replicate it. Our first seller specializes in printable planners and organization templates. With 11,598 reviews, and each planner priced at $39.24, we can estimate they've smashed their first 100K milestone, with at least $455,105.52 in the bank to date. Their designs are sleek, modern, and most importantly, practical. Our second seller offers unique digital artwork. With stunning designs, they've accumulated over 8,640 reviews. Selling each digital print for $34.99, they're laughing all the way to the bank with an estimated income of $302,313.60 to date. That's the power of digitized creativity. Our final seller provides DIY invitation templates for various events. With 1,167 reviews and a price point of $126.12 per template, we're looking at a whopping $147,182.04 in sales. They've turned the need for personalized, instant invitations into a thriving business. From printable planners, digital art to DIY templates, it's clear that digital products can be as diverse as your imagination allows. They require no physical inventory, shipping, and you can sell them repeatedly. Talk about a golden opportunity. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, Victor, but how can I make my digital products stand out on Etsy? And to that I say, great question. Let's dive into that in the next segment. So why digital products? What makes them a profitable choice for your online business? Let's dive into it. Firstly, digital products are incredibly scalable. Unlike physical products, once a digital product is created, it can be sold an infinite number of times without worrying about inventory or shipping costs. Secondly, digital products provide a truly passive income stream. Once your product is listed on Etsy, it can generate income 24/7, with minimal upkeep or maintenance. This can provide you with financial stability and freedom. In essence, digital products on Etsy are your ticket to a sustainable and scalable passive income. Identifying profitable niches and product ideas is crucial for success on Etsy. To identify a profitable niche, you need to look for areas that have a strong demand but less competition. Here's where online tools come in handy. Websites such as eRank, Etsy Hunt, and Marmalade provide valuable insights into trending products and popular search terms on Etsy. By analyzing these trends, you can pinpoint niches that are gaining traction. Additionally, Google Trends is an excellent tool to identify broader market trends and patterns. You can type in potential product ideas and see how their popularity has changed over time. Remember, profitable ideas are often at the intersection of what people want and what you are passionate about and skilled in. This research phase is crucial in finding that sweet spot. In this segment, we're going to break down the process of creating a unique, quality digital product in 5 simple steps. Remember, your product should provide value and fulfill a need in your chosen market. Step 1. Identify your skill set and interests. Begin by identifying what you're good at or interested in. It could be graphic design, writing, or even software development. Step 2. Concept development. Based on your skills, brainstorm digital product ideas. This could be a set of vintage graphic designs, an ebook on photography tips, or a simple budgeting app. Step 3. Design and creation. Next, you'll be working on creating your product. Various online resources can aid you in this process. Canva and Adobe Suite are great for graphic designs, Google Docs for ebooks, and platforms like GitHub for app development. Step 4. Testing and refining. Ensure your product is top-notch. Review, revise, and test it. Solicit feedback from trusted sources and make necessary adjustments. Step 5. Packaging and presentation. Your product must be presentable. Create an attractive and relevant product cover. Write a compelling product description detailing its benefits. Pro tip: to boost sales, you can offer a sneak peek of your product. This could be a sample chapter of your ebook, a low-res version of your design, or screenshots of your app. Remember, quality is key. Stay committed to delivering value to your customers, and you're on your way to unlocking a digital fortune. Once you've got your digital product ready, it's time to make your mark on Etsy. Starting with the basics, you'll need to set up an account in 4 steps. Step 1. Follow the link. Click the link in the description to start your new Etsy shop and get your first 40 listings absolutely free. This will allow you to start making money before you start paying for your listings on Etsy. Step 2. Create your shop. Click on Open a Shop Today and enter your personal information to open your shop. Ensure your shop is attractive and appealing to your potential customers. Customize your shop by adding a banner and shop logo. Clearly describe what you're selling in the About section. This is where you can tell your story and build a connection with customers. Step 3. Pricing strategies. Pricing is critical. It's a fine balance between covering costs, making a profit, and still appearing attractive to your customers. Research similar products and their prices. Don't undervalue your work, but also consider what customers would be willing to pay. Step 4. Product listings. Each product listing should have a compelling description and high-quality images. The description should clearly explain what the product is, how it works, and its benefits. The images should show the product in its best light. Remember, this is a buyer's first impression of what you're offering. Invest time in this and it'll pay dividends. Now, once you've set up your shop and listed your products, it's time to attract customers. And how do you do that? Through effective marketing strategies and SEO. Marketing on Etsy is about understanding your target audience. You need to be clear about who would be interested in your digital product, so you can tailor your promotions to reach them. Etsy itself provides promotional tools like Etsy Ads, but don't limit yourself to those. Leverage email marketing, collaborations with other Etsy sellers, and even host giveaways or contests to create buzz about your products. And then there's SEO, search engine optimization. Your titles, tags, and descriptions should contain keywords relevant to your product. This makes it easier for potential buyers to find your product when they use the search function on Etsy. Finally, never underestimate the power of social media marketing. Share your products on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, or any platform where your potential customers might be. Remember to engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and build a community around your brand. It's not just about selling a product, it's about building relationships and trust. Before we wrap up, please hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Share it with your friends who might be interested, and don't forget to leave a comment. Also, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss out on our next video. In the next episode, we'll dive deep into cryptocurrency mastery, 3 crypto investors breaking the bank and how you can too. You don't want to miss it, so be sure to turn on notifications. Let's continue our journey to smash that 100K milestone.